In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use World Slash in Sakura Stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the World Slash ability in Sakura Stand and whether or not there is an option to do this. So when you browse through all of the characters currently available in Sakura Stand, including the JJK characters, what you will notice is that none of them have anything related to World Slash directly. So even if you browse through the entirety of their movesets, you will not be able to use World Slash as any of them. This is going to include Sukuna and all of the other ones currently accessible as playable characters. So in this video, instead of talking about World Slash, I'm going to be showing you all of Sukuna's moveset, and you might be able to use these different abilities that resemble World Slash, such as Dismantle, but World Slash specifically is currently not available in Sakura Stand. If you know of any way to do World Slash, please let me know in the comments below. But as you can see, according to the wiki, this is going to be the moveset. So first you have Reverse Cursed Technique Regeneration, Curse Combo, which is just your standard M1s, Dismantle Combo, as you can see by pressing E, where you will be able to throw a Curse Barrage and launch an X-shaped projectile that makes you go backward. It does a lot of damage, and this might be the closest thing to World Slash. Next you have Head Crusher, Flame Ballista, Cleaving Barrage, Counter, and then your domain expansion, Malevolent Shrine. Finally, you can do a pose and press N to use quotes. So this is going to be the entirety of Sukuna's moveset. It is a very strong moveset, and you will be able to use abilities like Dismantle to resemble World Slash. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that according to my research, I was unable to find a way to do World Slash directly in Sakura Stand. If you know of any way, please share in the comments below. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.